Watch it, because he's going to do a firework, guys. Mom and Grandma, he's going to do a firework.
Where's Mom?
That was really nice. Heck yeah, that was really nice to say. Let's see. What are these again? Them boys, 3 of them? We got 3 of them boys going up, and then we're going to hit these racks. Go ahead. Man, I'm going to hit it nice. Damn loud. I'm a loud bass. All right. So these are the racks I fused up. We got fuse going all the way around the whole rack with a fuse, each one with the fuse still on it. And then we got this one piggybacking off each other. So let's go ahead and get it. So you're gonna hit that big ass fuse right there. You see it?
Which one?
The big one.
This one?
Yeah, the fat one. Yeah, you can hit that one. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. All right, let's get it, boy. Let's see what these racks do. Hopefully it's still going. Yeah, it's still going. See, that one is a little slow. Still going. That's fire. I like that shit. Heck yeah. That's pretty fire, right? I like that, yeah. And that was only like maybe like 30 shells, honestly. Probably not even. Yeah, probably a little bit more. Probably I would say like 35. But this one was missing too. This one's missing too. I think one is 16, one is 18. Yeah, let's have the fan do some candles. Let's see. One of each. We're gonna do these right here. And then we're gonna do these right here. Let's go. Yeah, I want to get a warmer candle each. Everybody each get a warmer candle. Yeah. Pass them out. Pass them out. Everybody make sure everybody gets one. It's gonna be a dope ass video. We're gonna make this up. Where's Mike? Mikey. Okay, we need that torch when you come back.
Don't point at each other.
We all gotta stand in a line, and then yeah, that should be pretty fire. Yeah.
Wait, I like little ones so I can take home to my baby.
I better get some ties.
Okay.
Yeah, I just got some. Yeah, I got you.
Because they're doing their feelings right now.
Oh my gosh. That was nice. Make sure the thingy comes out. Yeah, the fuse thingy.
You don't? I think it did. She'll take it.
It's on top. You got right there. Right there. You got wet thing is it? I'm sorry.
You can just take it off.
Oh, you like this?
Yeah. Ooh. Get back when we're off. Hold on, Mike. You ready?
It's giving.
All right, hold on. Let me start my fuse. All right, you ready? Let's go, Mike. One.
Wait. I love it.
Come here, Lane. Yours is not light. There you go. Oh, shit. Oh, watch out. Oh, shoot. That was very defective. Dude. Okay, that did not go as planned. All right, let's get some rockets in, guys. Let's do a whole pack of these guys. I got some of these, so let's do a whole pack of these. These are pretty badass. You want to get like 2? You want to get? Oh, you want to do 3 of these, Mike? And I can do 3? Yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get 3, Mike, and then I get 3. Here you go.
He spent, no?
Man, he spent. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, he spent. Yeah. All right, let's get it, boys. Let's go ahead and get 6 of these rockets. Oh, you gotta take off the thank yous. All right. You got the good torch, so let me know when you're ready, because I gotta turn my thingy on. I'm in wide view, guys, so we're gonna see how high these bad boys go. Blackout rockets. Hopefully we won't get no low brakes.
Is this the one that did low break?
No. But you know, these are like kind of, I mean, they could be rewraps. You never know, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just different color foil tops. And here comes the car. Hopefully this car is. I'll be right back, guys. All right, boys, let's go ahead and get it. Yes, sir. You ready? Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and twist mine on. All right, let's go. Let's go. Ready? Go. All right, I got our 3. You got our 3? Oh, nice. Oh, let me get back just in case. That was badass. I like them hoes. Imagine like 12 of them. That was some military shit, right? That was some Iran shit, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Let's get this. I think this is going to be a very pretty one. Let's get this bad boy. It's going to be bouquet to pink strobes, 42 seconds. This is going to be a pretty one, guys.
It's cute. You know, I did the exact same thing the last time I was.
All right, let's go, boys.
Yes, I promise you. I put like a star, like a firework that was like coming out from my eye, and I did like July 4th on it. I did it exact same thing.
Oh, that's not a firework. All right, boys. Let's see. Let's move this out the way so we can get this right here. It's like mines. I'm pretty sure it's nothing but mines. Put it right here in between everything. All right, let's go. Let's get it, boys. Let's see what this bad boy does.
That's pretty good. I picked up another job. Yeah, I picked up another job.
Oh, I should have done like another cake to go with it.
In Georgetown?
In Georgetown?
Mm-hmm. At night?
I'm a short stop.
No, truck stop. Yeah.
Was that it? I think that was pretty much it, bro. Yeah, it didn't go for too long. I think it was 42 shots, not 42 seconds. 42 shots. Yeah. Let it chill out for a little bit. All right, boy, let's make some noise. It's a little quiet right here. Oop, watch that cake. Let's go ahead and make some noise. It's very quiet, bro. The rain really put a number on this 4th season. Let's go ahead and get it, bro. Let's make some noise. What are these? Are these? Yeah, these are what I was thinking. Yeah. I'll get back to you when I get to the barn site. Wait, I think Mike's gonna set up some shells. Okay, yeah, I get back to you when I load these up, guys. There goes the shells Mike was sending up. Excuse me. All right. Another one. But those are really nice. What are those again? Golden Dragon? Yeah, those are really nice. 2 more? All right, cool. Let's see. I'm gonna fuse these up real quick. Not fuse them up, but tape them up real quick because I'm trying to hit them both at the same time. Got the good tape right here. Don't need that much tape. Here you go, Bubba. Try to tape them up. Like put a tape on one of these two right here. No, just right here. Yeah, so you can hit them both. Nice. Those are really nice.
Alright, raise up.
Yeah, go ahead.
First?
Yeah. Give Isaac the, Isaac got it. You got a torch, Isaac?
Nah, it's in the car.
Okay, yeah, give it to Isaac, yeah.
You might want to move your, huh? They cokeheads. What? We don't do that over here. Sorry, Des. I'm a dork. I hear what I want to hear. Usually we
Oh, nice.
Be careful, people.
Go ahead.
You better move, Carmi, huh?
Watch out. There, you go. Oh, sound like thunder.
Yeah, those colors go high.
They go super high. Those like the highest ones I've seen so far.
Yeah, me too. I was
Yeah,
like,
those are pretty nice. Yeah, heck yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get it, boys. Yeah, the keep swimming shit. Yeah, heck yeah. We're gonna do the little small ones, then we're gonna work our way up to the bigger 500 grams, and then these two big ones are crate. So we're gonna do 2 each, crate. Yeah. Let's see what they do. We got bitch and brocade and keep swimming 16 and 16, 200 grams. Let's see what they do. You got the lighter? Oh, I see a flashlight. Oh, I was like, what the hell? Yeah, I was like, hey, nah. All right. Oh, yeah, I need that torch. I need that torch. Shit, that's what I'm saying. Scared the shit out of me. Okay, he's moving his car. Okay, I'm gonna get back right y'all when he's done moving the car. Okay, let's put it down. Put it right here. Are you ready?
Ready.
Yes, let's get it. We gotta keep swimming in bitch bouquet. Okay. Oh, what happened? Get it. You got it? All right, cool. And the rain too, that's crazy. Yeah. Okay. That's pretty fire.
oh, the water.
All right, we got another 2 going up. What we got? We got almond piercing and then off fire, no ice. Let's go ahead and get it, guys. Oh yeah, I think that's them boys.
He said we're good. He said he was asking if it was gunshots.
Gunshots? Oh, them big ass booms? Yeah, ain't no
I
gun.
told him it was on the other side. Just wait till they leave right now.
Yeah, okay.
Should we move some out?
Nah, we good. We chilling. He
He said
said.
we're good. Shit,
He said we good, right?
Yeah.
I bet. Okay.
Those bombers that they
Yeah, them big bomb. He thought it was gunshots. We good. Okay, never mind. We got his approval. Let's keep going, boys. Let's get it, bro. Right here. Where the fuck are the? Where's the fuse at on this one? All right. You got the fuse? Let's get it. Hold on. Let's get it. All right, another 200, 500 grams. That's pretty badass. And the rain too. It's raining. You see it, guys. Heck yeah. Look at all that smoke. Smoke ain't going nowhere in the rain. Yeah. You got it? You got it, mate? All right, we got 3 of them going. 3 big boys. Oh, shit, that whole leg. badass. I like that.
Hey, you want to see this? The phone should come back there.
Oh yeah, it don't matter. Yeah, it don't matter. Yeah, heck yeah. Let's see. That boy's ready.
Pop away. Get the spark in there.
All right, let's go.
Do it. Come on, bro. Go. It's going on. Hit that shit.
Go ahead, mate.
Down, block.
Big ass brakes. Them are pretty nice. I like them. Alright guys, what we got? We got the United. I mean, not United, but. Oh, here, Lane. You want my jacket?
Oh, yeah. Never mind. Blanca. Never mind.
Let's go. Oh, you want to get him? Oh, you got it? Okay, you got it first? Yeah. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, that's the one with the button. Yeah, I got the one with the twist.
No, the other one.
Yeah. There you go. Yeah. For sure. All right, guys, I'll get back to you when we're all set up. I didn't even get to get that on video, the markets, so I got to redeem myself. Redeem myself with the markets.
Those are like the real half subs.
Let's get it, boy. Let's see what this. What is this? What are these? Okay, so this is what that bad boy does. Let's go get it. I got to redeem myself. Look at this. Just kick these out the way, bro. Keep these bad boys out the way and put this bad boy right here. Let's get it, boys. All right, y'all ready? We got a big one, bro. You ready? No, we're gonna do one right now. Yeah, y'all ready? You ready? They loving it, bro.
Huh?
All
right, give me a burger.
Oh, shit.
Oh, shit. Let's go. That one. That was pretty nice. Yeah, that was pretty light. Yeah, I like that one. Let's get it, boys. You already know what time it is.
It's time for me to go to work.
Damn, you late?
No.
You get one, I get one?
Oh, shit.
Let's get it, boys. You already know what these are. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Hey, bro. Yeah, let's move it. Let's time to get this on video.
I can take it off this side?
Yeah, you have to take it off. Yeah, you gotta take off the thingy.
Pull it?
Yeah, don't pull it, but watch it though. Let's see. Just yeah, there you go, just like that.
Leave that right?
Yeah. No. I get it. I got you. I gotta get the right view on these. Everybody ready? Everybody ready on these? All right, let's go. You ready, mate?
Oh, wait.
Ready, buddy?
Go.
Go. Go ahead, Mike. Oh shit, yeah, we got two more. Look at these. Man, I'm a badass. Look at that. Heck yeah. Yeah, them are the ones they want. Yeah, everybody want them. Look at the smoke. Whew. That's so cool. Yeah. All right, let's do a whole pack of these next. Yeah, a whole pack of these. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, here you go. Open it. Yeah. There you go. You get three and I get three. Alright, hit your bows up when we get back over there. It's like literally right there. Alright guys, we got 6 sentences going up. Let's go ahead and get it, boys. Let's go, ready? Alright, oh, you missed 2. You missed 1. Oh shit, what the fuck? Damn, who turned that one on? Oh shit. But who lit that one, bro? Who the fuck lit that one? That shit was so badass. That was badass, buddy. That was so badass. Okay. All right. You ready?
Yep.
Go ahead. All right, there we go. There we go. That's crazy. All right. You ready? You see, want to like some small cakes? Wait.
He wants a little fountain.
I found.
You know, give him this
Want
one.
one of these? Yeah, you know what happened with these?
This
Yeah, that shit blew up in people's hands. Yeah. Yeah, you want we can do some cakes? We can do some more small cakes. Let's see. I think I have some more of these. Bitchin' bouquet, limo. Oh, and I could do this one. Okay, yeah. He's got a lighter?
That's a bird out here.
Like, bro, this year they fucking said like they're not gonna be responding. It is raining, bro.
All right, we got 3 of them. We got Keep Swimming, Bitchin' Bouquet, and then me and Sit Back. Go ahead, Mike. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. All right, we got our 3 of them. We got our 3 of them, boys. Let's get it. That's a lot of salutes. Yeah, that's a lot of salutes. All right. Yeah, heck yeah. All right, let's get some shells in. Let's get some shells. Let's see what the shells are. Everybody ready? Go ahead, Mike. You go first. All right, go ahead first. We got it. That was badass. I think they all went. That was badass as fuck. Alright guys, let's go ahead and do this bad boy. I've been wanting to do this one, see what it does. Let's get it, boys. Let's see what this bad boy does right here. Alright, boys. Let's go ahead and get it. Better chow. Fuck, my shoes on tight. Give me 1 second. Let's get it. That was pretty fire. That was pretty sick. Heck yeah. Yeah, them are pretty nice, man. Where the fuck is... Oh, okay, it's up here. Got some... Oh, I thought that was more shells. Shit. Get back to it when we're okay. Let's get it, boy. Warfare. 73 shots. Let's get it, boys. Let's get it. Let's see what this bad boy does. I don't think I was supposed to do that, but yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and get it, boys. What is this bad boy? Freddy Cougar. Yes, sir. Let's get it, boys. In the rain. Yes, sir. See what it does. What the heck? I like that one. That's pretty badass. We got some shells going up, man. All kinds of good shells. Let's get it. Oh, Isaac.
I got one. I got a lighter.
Go ahead.
Mikey, somebody send me.
Okay. It's the 15. It's okay. I want to get the 16, but it's okay.
Yeah, I want to get the like 16 too.
Yeah. Mikey, I think Mikey opened. Yeah, they all vent. What the heck? Yes, mine has two. The first day you got it? Bro, what the heck?
I was like,
Fourth of July, you can't do 4th of July without American firework. Let's go ahead and get it. Oh, the helicopter's in the sky. Oh, shit. Let's go ahead and get it, man. You got more shells in there? Got some more shells going up with the helicopter right there. Yeah, got a nice little cake going up. Can I touch? Let's get it, boys. Let's send it to this little cake. American. Happy 4th of July. Let's get it. Got some more shells going up. Go ahead. Get the other one. Get the other one. Get the other one. Get the other one. You got it. You got it. You got it. Stay. 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 Nah, I'm playing. Oh. Wait, you didn't get the other ones? I thought you got the other one. Hold on. Wait. You get some time. I was about to say. I thought you got the other one. They probably got right out. Yeah, they got red out. You can see, you can tell. Yeah, I got you. I get like 2 of these. Go ahead. Ready? Go ahead. It's not going. Oh, it's not going. Yeah, that one's not going. It got wet. Is this the one you have chilling over there like we did this one? Yeah. There's one more in there too. Oh, I said I stopped right there. Yeah. There's one more. There we go, there we go, there we go. It finally ran. Oh, shit. Yes, yes,
Ooh,
yes.
that's a good one.
Yeah.
I gotta record this one.
Let's see.
It says happy
You want to put it out there for him? Yeah. Go ahead. Happy nugs. Let's get it. All right.
It's so tan.
You know, she be at the pool, you know what I'm saying? All right, yeah. She stay at the pool. All right. Let's get a good view over here. Let's get back over here. All right. Happy nails, guys. 100 shot. Go ahead whenever you're ready. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, you good, you good. Oh, right there. You got it. You got it. Look at all that smoke. Look at that. That was so fire. Yeah, that was fire. I like that one. Yeah, look at all that smoke, Bodies. Yes, sir. Huh? Sabrina? I got you. All right, let's get it. What do we got? We got 49 shots, gold crowns. I think this one's going to be good. I'm going to say that, yeah, that's the right piece. All right. Look at the hose on that one. That's a big one. So, let's go. Let's go. Put it on the ground for you. Oh, watch out. Cover your ears. Everybody cover your ears. Told you I cover your ears. I told you cover your ears. You ain't listen. Yeah. Now she gonna do this one right here. Yeah. You good, buddy. You good, man. No worries. It's gonna be more of a match. You good, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure ain't. It's all good. That too. Yeah, make sure ain't nothing else good. You good, buddy. All right. Yeah, the fuse is right there. Yeah, you got it. Go ahead. I want to get this on video. Let's go ahead. That was like 49. Yeah, you right. Yeah, heck yeah. He knows his fireworks. Yes, sir. Look at the smoke on that one. That's pretty nice. Yes, sir. We ain't get drafted.
Like
Oh, the chef? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the chefs.
Are you just down there?
Sabrina.
Yeah. Got the little dime. What is that, a dime? Is that a dime? Can't really tell. Look like a dime. You want to do 2 Black Ops?
Remy is one too. You like one and you like one.
Oh, Sabrina, you like one?
So this one you gotta go. You test it.
Wait, where do I light it up?
That one's Sabrina's.
Really?
That one's
Wait,
yours.
wait, for me to.
Let her do her.
I'm gonna twist it. Okay.
Switch and push the button. Sabrina, go first. Yeah. Okay, turn it up. Yeah. Yeah. The silver one, I got you. Are you ready, Mike? Oh, hold on. Push up the fuse on this one. Yeah, push up the fuse on that. All right, there we go.
You ready?
Hold on. Yeah, you ready? Yeah. Go ahead. All right, get the oven. That was pretty badass. Yeah, look at the smoke. Yeah, that was so badass. Yeah, Mike, where'd you come from? I ain't seeing the smoke. Yeah. Hey, this is what it does. Look, I'm gonna show you what it does. This is what it does right here.
Yeah, I'll light it. I'm gonna light it with a lighter.
I'll put that bitch on the floor. Let it go straight over.
Say that. Right.
Yeah.
Oh, you really gonna do it? Here, do it like this. I'll say, fuck it.
You better stay out of this. You better stay out of this. You better stay out of this. What? You better take it. You want to take it?
Alright, we got 3 of these bad boys. Go ahead, Matt. Okay.
I got Jason.
Which one you want? You want that one?
Okay.
Yeah, it don't matter to me. Okay, let me by view. You got Jason. I got Leatherface. All right, go ahead. Let's get it. Let's see. Yeah, go ahead. You go first because you got that game. Go ahead, Mike. All right, let's get 3 of them.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's pretty badass. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Yeah. That was a big. Yeah. That's man. Yeah. Yeah. My grandma loves it. Grandma loves it. My grandma loves it. Yes. Ah, buddy. True power family over here. Yeah. Yeah. Look at that. I got you. Yeah, that's my ground shakers. They're my ground shakers. Yeah. That was pretty fire. Look at the smoke. But she loves it, bro. Grandma loves this shit. My grandma loves it, I swear. Oh, man. Yeah, grandma might be deaf after this. But it's okay. It's okay. You want to take a shot?
Show him the big shot.
Everybody got shot glasses?
Yeah, I got one right here. Straight out the bottom.
Everybody got shot? Everybody want to take a shot? Hey, but hold on. Hey, give him the cups. Yeah, give him the cups. We got cups. Everybody take a shot. You got a drink? Come take a shot. Rich, come take a shot.
Give me the bottle.
Come take a shot. Come on, everybody come take a shot.
Give me the bottle.
The bottle?
Yeah, shot.
You can, yeah, it's cup, yeah.
Y'all want a shot?
Everybody come take a shot. Where the shot at? Everybody come line up for a shot.
I want a shot. Somebody give me a motherfucking shot.
Somebody get this weasel a shot.
Give me a fucking shot, cause I'm a whistle.
Oh, man, that was good.
Everybody good. Happy
Hey,
4th of
salute.
July, guys. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
Thank you, David.
Yes, sir. To many more. Yes, sir. Cheers.
Yeah.
That was good.
Let me get that 50 ball slap.
That was good. Heck yeah.